Welcome back to a new video. So random little clip here, but I figured I would document it since it's been a while. I just got out of the gym for the first time in over a year. I've been working out at home for, given the environment and everything, and trying to get workouts in and everything, but there's nothing like being in a gym and actually getting a workout done. So I've been working out since I was like 15 or 16. So this basically year not getting in the gym was tough, but I was able to get some stuff done at home. But honestly, there's nothing like being in the gym and just kind of turning things off and getting it done. So really happy about that. But all right, let's get back to the garage. Let's see what we have in store for today, and we'll see what we can do on the car. All right, so we are back in the garage. Tonight we're actually doing a little bit of maintenance to all the other cars. Well, not really maintenance, but just keeping up on things. I'm actually going to change the intake filter. It's been a while. It has 40,000 miles. I don't believe we've ever changed it. We may have changed it once actually. But I have one over here that I had in my old STI intake, same exact size. So I'm going to throw it into the Outback and we'll be good there. And I'm also going to wash the Telluride. It's been a while since I've actually washed it. It's covered in pollen. It's pollen season right now, so it's absolutely terrible. So I'm going to go ahead and wash this up. Probably going to wash it outside since I have the STI here. Normally I just wash in the garage on the switch tracks, but I'm not going to move the car out yet because I don't feel like fumbling all the cars around. So I'm just going to do the wash out in the driveway. So I'll get some shots for you and a little maintenance on the daily, a little bit of a wash on the family car. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to knock out the air filter over there real quick, and then we'll pull this out and wash it up. All right, so here's the old one. There's a new one, nice and clean and ready to go. So this one wasn't dirty, so it looks like we changed it once, but super simple, same exact size as the STI one, which is nice. And yeah, just gonna throw it back in there, and then we'll get to washing the Telluride. All right, guys, so the Telluride wash is done, all clean, coated with bead maker for a little added protection. I always forget how good this paint looks when it's clean. The family car, you don't get many options or chances to actually clean the car just because you're using it constantly. You know, it gets messy inside, and you know, sometimes you kind of just let it go for a little bit just because, you know, it's a car that gets used every single day and it gets used and abused. And but every single time I clean this thing up, it's pretty amazing how clean it is. I love this color. This color is wolf gray. It's actually brand new for 2021. So it's pretty new and cool color that I like. I'm a big fan of grays like Nardo, and which a lot of people are, but this is more lighter than Nardo. Has a bluish hue to it in the sun. It's really nice. Really like it, especially with the black accents and everything. Really nice car. Absolutely love this thing. I've been meaning to do a review on this car. We're about 4,000 miles in. We've had it for about 4.5, 5 months now. It's been absolutely amazing. I really want to go out and do like an actual full review of it, kind of go over everything about the car and just kind of give you guys an update, since I did introduce it saying, hey, this is the new car, but I wanted to get, you know, some miles under my belt and just kind of get a feel for it, see how I like it, see if there's any things I didn't like about it. And now that I got a decent amount of time with it, I think I could go out and do a review. I don't know if you guys are really interested in that, but I know some people are, so I'll get that video done soon, but super clean. Now for the STI, it's absolutely filthy. I mean, it's just been sitting in the garage, but just opening and closing it, you know, it's been pollen season, so you kind of see how dirty it is just with the garage opening. Usually I have the car cover on it, but I drove it since I took the car cover off. So, you know, you obviously can't put a car cover on a clean car. You can see how dirty it is. It's driving me nuts. But, you know, so you can't put a cover back on the car after it's been driven, you know, especially being dirty. So I'm just kind of letting it sit here, getting dusty and polleny and terrible and gross. Not that I want it like that, but that's just what's happening. But I'm going to do a super thorough cleaning once I get the headlights in. Those are actually being worked on this week, so hopefully I have them by next week. Really anticipating them. I threw the bumper on because I got tired of seeing it on the side over there. You can see the lower class garage front chassis bar in the front bumper there a little bit. I wanted to see how it looked because a lot of people were asking me, what does it look like behind the grille? I think it looks really cool. I haven't taken the car out of the garage yet, so I didn't get a full view of it. But I think I'm really digging the look behind the grille. I think it looks really nice, especially with the white brakes there. It's gonna look awesome. So that is to come. New headlights. Obviously, I'm waiting for more of the stage 3 parts to come in. I got them sitting over here. I also got a few other things on the way as well. So plenty more videos coming with the STI. But like I've been saying in the past couple videos, you know, I'm just waiting on parts. Everything is delayed. Everything is back ordered. So it's just a matter of, you know, waiting for those parts to come in. But STI videos will pick back up. I really want to go out, do a review of the brakes and everything, because honestly, I haven't even driven it. Do a review of the Grimspeed top mount intercooler. Haven't even driven it with it yet. So lots of things to come, lots of reviewing and testing and, you know, adding more parts and everything. So, but yeah, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Nothing too exciting, but I figured I would take you along on kind of the day in the life sort of what I was doing tonight in the garage with the other cars, and kind of just giving a little bit of maintenance, a little bit of attention to other cars that don't normally get the spotlight on the channel. And I figured I would take you along and make a little video. But yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions at all, be sure to ask them below. But in the meantime, keep it clean, keep it simple, and I'll catch you in the next one.